One of the prerequisites of being a great home cook is knowing what you want to cook, the ingredients required, and where to source them at an affordable price and yet a good quality. So usually I go to the markets. I think this is one of the best things to do for me. When other people are going window shopping for makeup, jewelry, and clothes, I am in the market asking about all the questions. What are these? This guy told me those are poppers or pops or popcorn, something like that, and they just taste like gorillas. That's what he said. Yeah, and I'm like, why do you have like 100 shapes of the same thing? These like different people have different shapes, so that's it. No reason. And I always do that. I encourage you to do that. Most times when I post something on my social media, people always ask, what is this in Uganda? What is this in that? What is the people who are selling these things? They know. Yeah, they know what they are selling. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. Hello there. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. And today we are in the market. I'm going to take you to Nakasero, one of the big markets in the city that I usually go to buy my groceries. I buy from local vendors. I stopped buying packed things. First, they don't taste as great. Then the second thing is they are really, really costly, which does not make sense to me. So if I come here and buy my gram flour, or maybe my chickpeas, and go make my own gram flour, because I can, and I can save a little bit of coins here and there instead of spending like 400,000 on groceries and spending like 200,000. To me, it's a win. Yeah. So I think knowing where to buy things and things to buy, and also maybe if you're able to be there, not all of us are going to be able to go and buy things in the market. And then there are people who also don't have like the patience of coming home to sorting everything, and you just want to go and buy prepacked things. No problem. Not everything going to buy from, these other vendors, but I prefer that because I think I really love saving a coin here and there. So yeah, we're in Nakasero today and we're going to be buying this. How do you create your own meal plan? How do you cook your own meals as a home cook who has children and stuff? Or if you are alone, anyways, how will you do this if you do not have the right ingredients? How do you preserve them? We had a masterclass over the weekend, and I hope to see a lot of you in the next one, which we are going to announce maybe much later in the year or maybe next year, whenever we do, because some of these skills are lifelong. You can transfer them to your children, to your nannies, and you stop the crying of every day the children waste food. So we're spending too much money on food. You do not manage the food right, because if you go and buy something that is so expensive and it's not as great, so it's not a lot, they're going to waste it in a few days, and then every day you're shopping. Unless you really don't care about your coins, then some skills, I am sure you will need them. So usually I come here and I bargain, man. I think one of my I think when they see me showing up, they're like, the brown madam is back. Now she has fried hair. Okay, she's back and she's going to be, so let us start her from up. And you see, you need a shopping list. I'm buying things that's 8 p.m. spices. The guy who gives me spices already sent me. But because I am big-headed and these ones are like slightly cheaper for the price of the ones in the supermarkets, I'm like, I'm taking them. Please, I'm taking them. I got all those almonds, cashews, and raisins for 10,000. Yeah, 10,000 Ugandan money. Imagine. But yeah, anyways, I hope you understand the quality of things you're looking for whenever you step into the markets before buying. And when you go in the market, you've already spent your fuel or transport. Please don't send someone to go in and get for you things. Get out of the car. They are going to assume you do not know what you want, and they will just go and bring for you all the cheap ones so that they can save a little bit off the money you gave them. Okay, that's also a tip. If you've already reached the market, park your car or get off the border and get into the market, and maybe get this person to guide you around the market. Go and ask. And then the other tips are, please, again, carry a shopping list. Get your own bags so that you do not squish your things into these black polythene bags and they get spoiled. And then also, oh my God, I hate buying things in kilos. So usually I always ask, what is the price for one item, so that I'm able to calculate how much I'm willing to spend on one item, and then I'll buy like 10 for 10,000, but a kilo would be like 4 of them. Okay. And check everything for freshness. and do not allow anyone to give you things from wherever, because they know they don't want to lose, so they'll give you something if you're not looking. Check them. So basically that's it. Shout outs to everyone. We are now 15k subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you so much to everyone who participated in the masterclass. My camera person, Ashraf, thank you so much. I do not know if I actually thank you enough most times, but I hope you know how much I appreciate, and may you grow into the baddest videographer in town. Soon, bestie, soon, okay? And for always laughing at me when I'm bargaining for things and making people give me the best prices, please, it's a bad thing. People would think I'm not serious about what I'm saying, so you should stop it. Don't laugh when I'm bargaining. Thank you. Yeah, so anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the market, and please subscribe, please reach out, and if you need any guidance, my numbers are on my pages, my social media pages, and we can always become great cooks together. The kitchen is the backbone of our homes, and you and I can make it a place to make memories and build stronger relationships with our family members, ourselves, and our loved ones. Okay, your children, you owe them a legacy. They need to sit down sometime and say, oh, if mom was here, they should have done this. My mom taught me this. Like how we see it today, everyone is like, my mom, my grandmom. What is your children going to say? What are they going to say that my mom did what? She used to make this soup when it rained. She used to do like all those things. I hope you put it in consideration. I offer one-on-one classes at the kitchen studio, and you can always come through if you need some coaching, if you need some lessons on how proper nutrition for children and everything else, how to shop for groceries, how to store them, how to make sure your kitchen is nourishing 24/7. I'll be here, okay? Yeah. And I hope to see you soon in the future aspects of this whole journey. So bye, and enjoy the rest of the video.